Have you ever felt lost? Have you ever felt down? Have you ever felt that you don't know where you're going? This episode is for the people my age, say 17 to 25, who are currently pressured in their life, who are currently pressured in their ACADS, in achieving their goals in a specific time, or you know that feeling that you have a deadline to reach, that you have to get this amount or net worth in say 5 years. I have to have my own house, my own car, my own family in 10 years. I should be self-sustaining in 3 years. Friends, let me tell you this. You feel that you are down, you're lost, you're depressed because of those ideas, because of those goals. Okay, why am I telling this? I am telling this because I am in that position right now. I have a lot of goals, I have a lot of things to do, I have a lot of things to be ticked off in my checklist. And I have to do it for a specific period of time. I should have this net worth of say 20 million in 10 years, and I have to start a business and grow my investment in 3 years. Those kinds of goals are in my checklist. So I am telling you this because you don't have to do it all at once. You have to focus one step at a time. You have to focus one step at a time. There is a book that I've read that said, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Well, the author rephrased it that into a journey of 1,000 miles begins in a baby step. So if you want something, focus on that one thing first. Focus on how you will grow, how you will expand in that one thing. And after that, you can now go or proceed to your next checklist. Okay, let's go back to the point why I've mentioned about people feeling lost or depressed or down. Well, have you thought outside of the box? Have you searched for some things that you might realize? Because if you feel lost, it's not because you are lost. You feel lost because you are too early in the process. Have you thought of looking back? Maybe you have skipped some step, or just maybe you are too thirsty for the success that you're forgetting that the process of being successful is much more important than being successful itself. Are you getting my idea?
Kuha mo.
Here's what you need to do, and here's what I am doing. So I am telling you what to do. Focus on one thing first. And if you're done on that one thing, you don't have to be an expert on that one thing. You just have to start something and grow it or nourish it. And then when it's nourished and it can grow by itself, you can proceed to your next item in your checklist. And then the process goes on and on and on. Okay? You may feel lost sometime, but just ask yourself, am I really lost or am I just too early in the process? Guys, life is too long in some perspective and it's too short in another perspective. So might as well do some things that we think or that we should do according to our age. Okay? We don't have to rush things because it will come. Okay? We don't need to rush those kind of goals. We just have to make the most in our moment. In other words, sulitin natin yung moment. Sulitin natin yung proseso. Because one day we're gonna go back in the past. We're gonna look back in our past, telling na, maybe I should have done better if I didn't skip some part of the process. Ladies and germs, all we have to do is love our process. Because as I have said earlier, loving the process of being successful is much better than being successful itself. Ladies and germs, we have to love the process. We have to love our daily grind. Okay? Yes, we may hate our day-to-day or routinely day-to-day basis. Wake up, go to school or go to work, and then you go to bed, you wake up, and then the routine gets repeated, and then guys, we have to love the grind, okay? But sometimes we also have to think outside of the box. Okay guys, so that's it for this vlog. And if you think that I've skipped some steps or skipped some advices, just put it down in the comments, and I will try my best to include those comments of yours in my incoming videos. Okay? So please do like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next episode. And hoping that I would have some impact on the lives of other people, especially those people in my age. Okay? Bye.